Blessed and happy Saturday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear good people of God, faithful followers of the Daily Gospel Reflection with Father Jack. My dear kababayans, today is August 9, 2025, and today is Saturday within the 18th week in Ordinary Time, Year C. Today's Gospel is from the beautiful and the wonderful account of the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 17, verses 14 to 20. In today's Gospel, we witness the heartbreaking desperation of a father whose son is suffering terribly, and yet the disciples themselves are powerless to heal him. Their failure reveals a crucial truth. No matter how skilled or faithful we think we are, without a deep and living trust in God's power, we fall short. And Jesus gently points to the root cause, that is, lack of faith. And I think this is also the problem in our world nowadays. People have lack of faith. We are not practicing our faith. This reminds us that faith is not about our own strength or about our ability, but it's about surrendering everything to God and trusting that He can do what seems impossible. If you have faith, my dear friends, you can ask the mountain to move. That's how powerful faith is all about. That's why today we will ask the Lord for the grace to increase our faith. And Jesus' words about faith, the size of a mustard seed, moving mountains, are a strong and powerful invitation to believe beyond what our eyes can see or our minds can grasp or understand. Can you imagine? Even in the tiniest spark of true faith, when rooted in God's love, can overcome the greatest obstacles in our lives. This challenges us to examine where we doubt or limit God's work in our struggles, in our fears, and in our prayers. Our faith does not need to be perfect. It does not need to be awesome or large. It simply needs to be alive and willing to trust God's power, even when the path seems unclear. And finally, today's gospel calls us to live a life of prayer and dependence on God. Faith grows in the soil of humility and prayerfulness, where we acknowledge our need for God's help every day. Like the disciples, we may face moments of weakness, moments of discouragements and failures. But Jesus assures us that with faith, nothing is impossible. But friends, I say it again, with faith, nothing is impossible. Ask the Lord for the increase of faith in the midst of our own mountains. May we find courage to believe, hope to persevere, and peace that comes from surrendering all to God's loving hands. And we may say, Lord, in you we place our trusts. Increase our faith. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.